I'm trying to think positive. I got a lot on my mind, combined with my prerogative. And now I got a kid, instead of worried about dying. Now I'm trying to live and I ain't got a lot to give. I hardly got a pot to piss. Fruits of my labor becoming rotten. Keeps grinding out of option. Shit, me, I'm to the clock with it.
Definitely check out part 1, 2, and 3. This is an update, so I don't have to reintroduce old information. Now in the game, he had an interview with Hot 97. In his interview, he pretty much revealed why he dropped the first and second diss track against Meek Mill. Not only that, he also addressed a few allegations saying that he had leaked his own sex tape. Was pretty much, the situation is like this. He said that someone hacked into his bedroom camera or whatever and had leaked the sex tape or whatever. So he addressed that. He said that they also caught him at the end and he was moving slow motion or whatever the case may be, but he pretty much revealed it is his sex tape. But anyway, scratch that. We're going to get to the beef now. So pretty much, here's the scoop, fam. We got Sean Kingston, Meek Mills in the game at the club. This sounds like a funny joke, but it's not. Just listen. Anyway, Sean Kingston, he wound up getting robbed at the club that all three of them was at. Now, the game warned Meek Mills that people was robbing people at that club because he's familiar with the area. He lives there. Now, Meek Mills left the club, took that warning to heed. He ain't really had nothing to say to Sean Kingston because they ain't really cool like that. No, whatever. Sean Kingston get robbed. He calls the game that night. I guess they ain't really cool, but he got his number. I don't get it either. But anyway, the game pretty much ain't had nothing to really say to him. Hangs up the phone. Pretty much Sean Kingston calls back 5 minutes later saying Meek Mills told me that you was the one who robbed me, or you know who got me robbed, or whatever the case may be. Now he called the game, puts all three of them on a three-way, and he pretty much got tired of hearing them two. Pretty much he said Meek Mills snapped on Sean Kingston and Sean Kingston snapped on him, or they was all snapping or whatever the case. Game hung up the phone, then cops came to his crib, and now this whole publicity stunt of, now what seems like a publicity stunt or whatever the case is, with the cops coming to the crib, TMZ coming back with paperwork, and Meek Mills is now on the retreat, coming up. He gonna have to come up with a whole new diss album like he used to back in the day. We already know. And the game, pretty much, we thought it was out of jealousy. He wanted Nicki, he wanted this, he wanted that, and pretty much that's what I believe. I believe it's just a little hating, and I'm about to put a couple of, I might make a video. My next video is going to be what is a hater, to break it down to you guys. But pretty much that's all I know on the scoop. That's everything that came out after. He was real humble on the interview, the Hot 97 interview or whatever, the game. He pretty much seemed like he was human, he was chill, or that's the image he was trying to present to the people or whatever, because he do got like over 12 million followers, something like that on Instagram. So, and shit like that actually does matter in their world. But anyway, now what, like, pretty much man's ways lead to death. All this shit is just is an ego battle. You think what I'm saying? It can't be solved. The game don't want to solve it because of what we're saying. He's taking the world's point of view. You know what I mean? Like, he's taking our point of view on things and he's not giving in. So since we all been like, you always squashing beef and you always this and you probably scared and blase, whoa, now pretty much he's like, all right, well, since y'all gonna think that I'm a bitch, if I back out, he's going to keep the beef going. That's the scoop on the situation. All I know is hopefully nobody get hurt and they do keep it on record, because the way he was talking, he's just a record battler. Like, when you listen to the game interview, you understand that he's talking from a point of view where it's just, I'm willing to keep on coming out with records, but to actually shoot you or whatever, he might not. Like, it actually came off like that. If you watch the interview, he came off as just like a person who's tired of getting picked on or whatever the case may be, or tired of being talked about. And since he started the beef, and since he's looking bad out here because they got proof that Meek ain't say nothing or whatever the case may be, he don't really care. He just want to beef with Meek now. Plus, what you gonna do? Beef with an R&B dude? That ain't gonna look right with the Sean Kingston thing. So he might scratch that, we don't know. But that's the entertainment news for the day. That's the situation going on with Meek and in the game and Sean Kingston or whatever, and it's all crazy. But enjoy the rest of the day. This is Silence's Guide, entertainment news, media, debunking stupid claims, comedy, freestyles, skits, everything. I'm a YouTuber, nigga. Peace. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. It's your boy Silence's Guide. I be tripping.